Are you frustrated because Monster Hunter Wilds crashes immediately on startup? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we provide a detailed step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and fix the crash on startup issue in Monster Hunter Wilds. Whether it's caused by outdated drivers, corrupted game files, or compatibility issues, these solutions will help you get back into the game in no time. First, press the Windows key plus R, type devmgmt.msc and then press OK. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your display adapter. Select Properties. Go to the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for driver software. Wait for the update to be installed. You can also click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Now open your browser and search for NVIDIA app download. Click the official NVIDIA site from the search results. Once on the website, click Download to get the installer. When the download is complete, open the file and follow the instructions to install. Accept the terms and conditions and the app will automatically install on your computer when prompted. Choose between the game-ready driver or studio driver depending on your needs and click Next. Finally, click Done. And that's it. First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Download the x86 version. Download the x64 version. Now run vc_redist x86. Accept the terms and press Install. Press Yes. Close the installer. Now run vc_redist x64. Accept the terms and press Install. Press Yes. Close the installer. Restart your PC to finish the installation. First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Click on Download. Save the file. Wait for the file to be downloaded. Now run the file. Press Yes. Press Unzip to extract the program. Wait for the files to be extracted. Press OK. Press Yes. Press Download and install this feature. Wait for the feature to be installed. Press Close. Agree with the terms and press Install. First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Find Create Windows 11 Installation Media and press Download Now. Save the file. Double-click the file you just downloaded. Press Yes. Press Accept. Select your language. Press Next. Select ISO file. Press Next. Save it as Windows 11. Wait for the file to be downloaded. Double-click the Windows 11 ISO file. Click on Setup. Press Yes. Press Next. Press Accept. Select Keep Personal Files. If you want to do a clean install, click on Change What to Keep. Press Next. Wait for the update to be installed.